Hello, I want to talk about Ethereum and Ethereum options in particular. Ethereum options recently, the short-term outlook has turned bearish because the sell options ratio to the call, the long, the buy has turned bearish. It's gone to 2.45, which is the highest it's been since October 2019. I'll just show you this on a chart. Okay, so here's the call options to put, well, the put options to call ratio. And as you can see, we're above 2.5, and that's the highest all the way back to October 2019, if you see on the left-hand side of your screen. Okay, there's not a great deal in it, but this is indicating that we're looking at a short-term bearish outlook on Ethereum. There's more than two puts to every call. That's quite significant because, if it was 1.5, it wouldn't be too bad. And this is DeFi is the primary driver in this, okay? So DeFi has been in a marvelous bubble. It's been very profitable for lots and lots of people. And we've just started to begin to see a big correction happen in DeFi. But this is indicating that we're due for a bigger correction. There's congestion and soaring gas fees on Ethereum. And the miners made £150 million in profits in August, and the top of this hype cycle. We need a breather in DeFi. It's too much too soon. So yeah, we need a breather in DeFi. And I can just show you here the DeFi. Alongside this general downturn, this pullback that we've had, the total value locked in DeFi applications declined from 9.6 billion to 6.11 billion. Okay, and I think that that's going to, and that's in the past 8 days. I think that's going to increase. I think we're going to see more of a correction and deeper price drops. But I can tell you that long term, that'll be short lived. This is a minor correction. And there's some big things coming, because if you look at the long-term on-chain statistics, that's the 1 month skew, which is currently seen at 6.8%. Okay, and that's indicating a demand in the 1 month. But the 3 and the 6 month skews remain well below zero. Okay, that means that long-term people are very bullish on DeFi and Ethereum. I'll just show you that in a chart. Here we go. So the blue there is the 1 month skew. And as you can see, that's high. It's way over 0%. That's bearish short term. The 3 month skew is under 0%. That means that it's bullish. And we're even more bullish on the 6 month skew on the green. We are very bullish long term on all DeFi and Ethereum. Okay, at the moment, Ethereum is trading around 366. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. I'm going to disappear for a second. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart on Ethereum, okay? There's been a bullish crossover of the moving averages. The EMA, the 20 candle and the 200 candle are crossed. So Ethereum is trading above the 200 candle hourly, which is bullish, and we are above the 20 EMA candle, which is also bullish in Ethereum. You watch for the crossover in those in short term to tell you what it's going to do short term, but I'm telling you that short term it's bearish. But things are bullish at the moment on this 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart is great for trading short term. So over the weekend, this is signaling Ethereum may get bullish, but overall, in the next 4 weeks, the next month, as we saw on those other charts, Ethereum is hanging bearish. It's on the bearish side. All right, let's have a look at some other Ethereum charts. We got the weekly chart here, so we'll go from the short term to the longer term. Ethereum is trading well above the 21-week EMA. I had a look at this for Bitcoin earlier, and it's remarkable how well it works for Bitcoin. It's not so prevalent and vital, but I would say if we begin to trade below and close candles below that weekly 21 EMA, things are looking bearish then. we've had a brilliant bull run. We've had an Ethereum and DeFi bull run, as you can see, going from lows of, well, in March we were down at 88, and we've been up as high as 489. So there's been plenty of profit made on the table. I've been in Ethereum. I've been in lots of DeFi's this bull market. I've taken profits at various stages. I think we're in a correction, a natural correction at the moment. I don't think, as I say, looking at the skews on the on-chain data, I don't think there's anything too much to be worried about if you're long Ethereum. It's still dangerous to short trade. I think to short trade Ethereum now would be risky. High risk. Depends if you're doing day trading, swing trading, you're looking at the 15-minute chart. That's not too much for me. I'm looking at the next month, possibly more correction, bit more correction to come. But in the next 3 to 6 months, according to the on-chain skews, we're going up in Ethereum overall. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-day chart. I do like the 3-day chart. As you can see, the CMF has remained positive in this correction so far, and we're just beginning to see it rising actually after highs of 37. That's very high. And in January, we had highs of 45. We were very, very bullish. Although the price is lower, this goes to show that March Black Thursday event is looking to be like a black swan event, really. It doesn't correlate with the market trend. It was a shock. The whole broad spectrum of markets got hammered that day, and it doesn't seem to fit. What fits is this here in December being the bottom of the bear market, and the bull market began, was interrupted, and it's continued now. Okay, so we're looking bullish in Ethereum over the last 6 days. Ethereum looks like it might finish this correction. When I'm urging on the side of caution, I'm saying watch out. We could still have a correction for the rest of this month. And on the 1-day chart, we'll have a quick look at the MACD. And the MACD is peaked. Hang on a sec. And it's coming back down, a bit like in Bitcoin, really. And we're above the 50-day. That's important. Ethereum is trading just above the 50-day. It'll be interesting if Ethereum can close above that tonight. If Ethereum closes tonight above that 50-day moving average, that is a bullish sign, because we've been below it now for what? 6 days? 6 days we've been below that 50 moving average. It's always the one to get above if you've had a correction, the 50-day. So that's my roundup of Ethereum. Plenty more crypto charts and stuff to come. Please like, share, hit the bell, subscribe, and also leave a comment. I'm happy to answer any comments.